Have you ever wondered what life would be like if the Earth was flat? Imagine, rather than a spinning globe, our world as a plane or disk, an endless expanse stretching out in all directions. This is the premise of the flat Earth theory, a radical reinterpretation of our planet's shape that challenges what we've been taught in science classes and seen in images from space. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into this unconventional theory. Believe it or not, the flat Earth theory isn't a new concept. It's almost as old as human civilization itself. Ancient cultures, from the Egyptians to the Chinese, held a firm belief in a flat Earth. They pictured the world as a disk floating in an ocean, surrounded by celestial bodies. However, as early as the 6th century BC, Greek philosophers began to challenge this notion. Pythagoras, for instance, is often credited with the concept of a spherical Earth. Fast forward to the 3rd century BC and we see Eratosthenes, the Greek mathematician, accurately calculating the Earth's circumference, providing tangible evidence for a spherical world. The flat Earth theory gradually lost favor as the spherical Earth model gained credibility. The advent of the space age in the 20th century, with all those striking images of our blue planet, seemed to put any remaining doubts to rest. Though now considered a pseudoscience, the flat Earth theory has had quite a journey throughout history. But what exactly does the flat Earth model entail? Well, let's dive right in. The flat Earth model is a unique representation of our world that challenges the widely accepted view of Earth as a spherical planet. The model presents Earth as a flat disk, not unlike a frisbee. Imagine for a moment, a giant cosmic frisbee floating in space. The center of this flat disk, according to flat Earth theory, is the Arctic Circle. It's pictured as a massive pole around which all aspects of our world revolve. Now let's journey to the edge of this disk. What's there, you might ask? Well, it's not a never-ending drop into the abyss of space as one might imagine. Instead, flat Earth theorists propose a colossal wall of ice, standing about 150 feet tall. This icy barrier, often associated with Antarctica, is believed to hold the oceans in, preventing them from simply spilling off the edge of the disk. It's worth noting that the Sun and Moon in this model are much smaller and closer than in the spherical Earth model. They circle above the flat Earth, providing day and night to different regions, much like spotlights sweeping across the stage. It's a radically different perspective, wouldn't you agree? So what would life be like on a flat Earth? Let's dive into the implications of such a world. First, let's tackle gravity. On a flat Earth, gravity would pull everything towards the center, creating a bizarre scenario where walking towards the edge would feel like climbing a steep hill. Next, consider weather patterns. Our current climate systems are largely driven by the Earth's rotation and its curved surface. On a flat Earth, these systems would be drastically different, possibly leading to extreme, unpredictable weather conditions. Now imagine travel. Circumnavigation, the concept of traveling around the globe, would be out of the picture. Air travel routes would need a complete overhaul, potentially making some trips longer and more arduous. These implications only scratch the surface of how a flat Earth would change our lives. From scientific principles to everyday activities, everything would be different. It's clear that a flat Earth would dramatically alter our understanding of the world. So, is there any truth to the flat Earth theory? Well, not according to the vast majority of scientists. The flat Earth theory is generally considered a pseudoscience, largely because it contradicts observable facts and established scientific knowledge. For instance, the phenomenon of gravity, which pulls everything towards the center, is inconsistent with a flat Earth model. Then there's the evidence from space exploration. Images and video footage from space clearly show the Earth as a spherical body. Not to mention the numerous successful space missions that rely on a globe model for navigation and trajectory calculations. Moreover, the way we witness celestial bodies such as the Sun and the Moon move across our sky can only be accurately explained by a spherical Earth. Also, the way ships disappear over the horizon, hull first followed by the mast, strongly suggests that the Earth's surface is curved, not flat. In the end, while the flat Earth theory makes for a fascinating thought experiment, it doesn't hold up to scientific scrutiny.